first of all, we need to have a bowl, and you need to have eggs, you need to have some bread, and you need to have an electric griddle, which we have back here plugged in, and it's hot. So you have to be very careful. Only an adult can touch that. Take one and you want to tap it about, let me show you how hard. Just tap it like this hard. Like that, okay? A little bit harder. There you go. There you go. Good one. There's 2 minutes, honey. Nice job, Noelle. Way to go. Pour a little milk in here. There we go. And then we use our stirrer, or we call it a whisk recipe. It's a family secret. Sometimes we add a little syrup to the mixture. Let's put a little bit in here. We'll give you some. And then we go ahead and mix that up. Would you like to mix it up? Go ahead, a little bit faster. Oh, good. Yep. Perfect. So now we're going to take a piece of bread like this, like that. Do it quick. And then we'll just go ahead and put it onto the griddle. But we need to take everything over there. So will you grab the bread? Thank you. We wait for it to cook a little bit. And this is where we get to go ahead and you talk with your family. You talk about what you're going to do for the day, if it's breakfast. Or if you have for supper, you can talk about how your day went. So we're going to go ahead and flip these one at a time. Come here, Noelle. You want to lift up a corner just a little bit and see what it looks like. If it's brown,
like pancakes.
Like pancakes. Good connection. And you want to flip them over. Go ahead, you want to do that one? Beautiful job. We'll cut these in half, and then everybody's going to get a taste. Fantastic French toast.
Thank you.
Love those manners.
Can you please put it up for me? Bon appetit!